Which tool for winning products in 2026? Finding winning products is still one of the biggest challenges in e-commerce. In 2026, competition is tougher. Ads are more expensive, and launching random products without research is one of the fastest ways to lose money. That's why product research tools matter more than ever. Two names that frequently come up are Koala Inspector and Shophunter. Both are designed to help sellers analyze competitors and discover profitable products, but they work in very different ways. So which one is actually better for finding winning products in 2026? Koala Inspector is primarily known for its browser extension. It allows you to inspect Shopify stores instantly while you browse. With a single click, you can see product collections, tags, pricing behavior, and other store data directly on the page. This makes Koala Inspector extremely fast and intuitive. If you like browsing competitor stores, scrolling through product pages, and validating ideas on the spot, Koala Inspector fits naturally into that workflow. You don't need to leave the page or open a separate dashboard, which saves time and keeps research simple. One of Koala Inspector's biggest strengths is speed. It's ideal for quick checks when you find an interesting product and want to know whether it's part of a larger strategy or just a one-off item. Many sellers use it as a validation tool rather than a full research system. However, that simplicity also comes with limitations. Koala Inspector is not designed for deep trend tracking or long-term product planning. If you want structured data, saved research lists, or historical market insights, it may feel a bit limited. Shophunter takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on real-time store inspection, it operates as a full product research platform. It offers dashboards, filters, and discovery tools that allow you to analyze products across many stores at once. With Shophunter, you can search by niche, filter by engagement levels or price ranges, and identify broader trends instead of analyzing products one by one. This makes it more suitable for sellers who want a systematic and scalable research process. The advantage of Shophunter is depth. It's designed for people who want to plan product launches strategically rather than reactively. You can explore patterns, compare competitors, and build a clear picture of what's working in the market. The downside is that it requires more time to learn. It's not as instant as a browser extension, and beginners may need some time to understand the dashboards and filters. Pricing also reflects these differences. Koala Inspector offers a lower barrier to entry and works well as a lightweight tool for fast research. Shophunter is usually positioned as a more premium option, aimed at sellers who rely heavily on data and long-term research to guide decisions. So which tool is better for winning products in 2026? If you value speed, simplicity, and real-time insights while browsing stores, Koala Inspector is the better choice. If you prefer structured research, deeper analysis, and trend-based discovery, Shophunter offers more power and long-term value. Neither tool guarantees success, but choosing the one that matches your workflow can significantly improve your chances. If this comparison helped you decide which tool fits your business, leave a like, subscribe for more honest e-commerce reviews, and share your experience in the comments. Smart research leads to smarter launches.